Owens ar tafliad i reid pwysau unwaith eto ar amddiffyn yr ymwelwyr. Wild ar ergyd arbediad rhagorol gan Oliver Davies. Callum Morris. Mae yna 3-4 yn y cwrt yn disgwyl am y creisiad gan Morris. Morris yn troi, heibio i Tancock at yr ochr bella. James Owen ar peniad yn ôl. Mae'n gic o'r smotyn. A mi o'na lawio. A mi oedd y dyfarnwraig Cheryl Foster yn y fan ar lle i ddynodi cic o'r smotyn. Y capten Callum Morris ar cyfrifoldeb i roi Cei Connah ar y blaen. Yn gwneud hynny, dim gobaith i Oliver Davies. 20 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae, Cei Connah 1, Llanelli dim. Danby ar gic rydd. Owens ymlaen at Wild. Bakare yn 18-2. Michael Bakare. Mi oedd hwnna'n hawdd. Y bêl hir o'r cefn gan Danby. Peniad ymlaen. Bakare ar ail. Wilson ar gic gornel. Gyfeiriad Owens, a mi o hwnna'n bêl i'w rwyd i hun bron gan Chris Jones. Na chi arbediad gan Oliver Davies. Sut arhosodd hwnna allan. Owens yn ôl i fewn at Wilson. Wild ceisio i gadael i. Wild unwaith eto heibio'r postyn. Sut a hwnna ddim i fewn. Sut ydy hi ddim yn dair i ddim i Cei Connah. 10 funud i fynd tan y regwyl. Wilson yn isel y tro hwn yn edrych am Morris. Arbediad gwych unwaith eto gan Oliver Davies. Wilson, yr arwydd. Wilson ar gic gornel. Tu hwnt i pawb, mae'n disgyn i Callum Morris. Allo gael creisiad, allo gael ergyd i fewn. Morris. Llwyddo gael ei greisiad i fewn. Peniad amddiffynol allan gan Jenkins. Disney yn edrych am Parker at Wild! Mae'n dair. Symudiad hyfryd gan y tîm cartra. Parker ar y postyn pella at Mike Wild. Fe ti'n dair i ddim. Bakare, Harrison. Morris. Heibio i Davies. Morris dal yna. Morris yn dal i fynd. Bakare! Wild at yr ochr bella'n edrych am Owens! Mae hi'n bet dair. Mae hi'n embaras bellach i'r ymwelwyr. Ac Andy Owens ar bedwaredd gôl i Cei Connah. Alffi'n mynd o dan i Wild at Bakare. Mae Owens yn y canol. Bakare heibio i Jenkins, chwipio'r bêl a draws y gol. Na chi arbediad campus yn erbyn y postyn gan Andy Owens. Arbediad gwych gan y golwr ac yn ar postyn yn achub Llanelli. Jay Owen. Digon o amser unwaith eto gan fod Wilson. Ond mae yna le fan hyn gan Bakare. Os na bumed i fod, oes yn wir. A rwsyd rywfodd, mi adlamodd hi oddi ar dalcen Andy Owens i ail o'r gêm. 5 i Cei Connah. Holmes. Wild yn y canol. Mae Wolf yna hefyd. Dyma Hughes, dyma Owens on i gadael hi i Callum Morris. Fyna le gan Nathan Wolf i chwipio'r bêl at y postyn pella. Na chi arbediad campus, mae dal yna i Andy Owens ar rwsyd neu gilydd y gorlwn i arbedi. Arbediadau, rhyfeddol gan golwr Llanelli, Oliver Davies, i rwystro chweched sicr i'r tîm cartra. Holmes. Ymlaen at Rob Hughes. Wild yn ceisio amser i'r rediad i fewn i'r cwrt. Wild! Na chi gol campus gan y tîm cartra. Da ni fewn i'r funud ola o'r 90. Mike Wild yn ei gwneud ti'n 6.
Andy, comfortable 6-0 victory. Smile on the face, but I should think you're quite disappointed.
Only disappointed in that your standards are really high, and and listen, let's give the keeper credit, because it's an absolutely incredible performance from him. A man of the match, and probably the outstanding goalkeeping performance of the season. It must have been 8 unbelievable saves he pulled off in the 90 minutes, and you know, maybe are finishing a little bit more clinical. But listen, you come into the game today, 6-0. Clean sheet, 3 points, and top of the league. You know, you're delighted with that. And sometimes them games can become very difficult, not through a lack of respect, but you know, it becomes so easy. You can creep into bad habits, and you can start making wrong decisions. And you know, and I don't think the lad's done that. But you know, thoroughly delighted with a 6-0 win.
Yeah, considering the conditions and the situation we're in, you know, I think with our strongest Leven coming up here is going to be tough anyway. You know, so with our current situation, I'd rather be coming up here against, you know, the league leaders rather than going to somebody who we're fighting against. But yeah, we've been let down with a couple of boys today. Things aren't easy at the minute now.
You know, with 28 points, we need 3 more points, I think, to cement the top 6. And that's our first target at the start of the season. We're 13 games in now, and we're rightly top of the league. You know, because make no mistake, anybody who was at the TNS game, anybody who watched that game, knows that the correct team at this moment in time are top of the league.
You know, it's just we're blighted by injuries and suspension. It's crippling us. And we've scored a 24-25, and we've got, I think it's 13 unavailable. So, you know we can't sign anybody. We can't even register our academy players. So, you know, we are literally stuck.